Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can follow a person on Roblox and not add them as your connection. You are able to do that if you would like to for some reasons. Go to their profile and select view profile here, and you are going to select this these three dots, and then you're going to select view full profile first. I forgot about that. And then you will select these three dots and then select the follow button, and that's it. That's how you can follow people on Roblox. As you can see, you can also customize their names here, but I'm not going to do that, sorry. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.